what are the different important processes are available in the dataguard environment? To answer this question, in the dataguard environment we have a different important processes are there. Among that, the most important process is LNS process. LNS process is mainly useful to transfer a data from primary to standby. Then we have a different other services there, we called it as a RFS process. RFS process is mainly responsible to receive a changes from the primary to the standby side. And then we have MRP process. MRP process is mainly useful to apply those changes which are coming from primary side. So we have LNS, which is sending a data, RFS, which is receiving a data, MRP, which is applying a changes.